This video quickly walks you through on how to add QR code in Word document. All right, by QR code we mean quick response code. Here am I in my Word document. So the next step you need to take is to be on the home tab, then click on this add-in, then type QR. Okay, you will see some suggestions given to you. All right, so these are QR code add-ins. All right, so here let's work with this. So click on add. Once it's added successfully, you have an interface that looks like this. So but note, in some cases it may give you error message. Don't mind that error, just click on the close button and you still have this interface to work on what you want to work on. All right, so enter URL text you do like to encode. So here click this drop down and select the type of protocol. In this case, the protocol, the website I want to add, or the web link I want to add is HTTPS, which is the secured one. So I'll click on that. And most websites or web links use HTTPS in the recent time. So if you're confused on what to use, please select HTTPS. Then click here and add the link. I have a link I want to use here. So let me open a page here in my browser. I'll look at this Microsoft Teams assistance. I'll copy the link. Since HTTPS have been already added, I will start from the forms. Then after that, I'll click on copy icon. So let's get back to the document and add it. Then I'll click here, Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, it still comes with HTTPS, but I'm going to remove that because I've already chosen it. All right, beautiful. The next step is to click on insert. Then this QR code has been inserted, and this is a link to a form I created for people to fill when they want to get special services. Another good thing about this is that you can, screenshot this and add it in a document. So when people are reading through, I want them to quickly access that particular platform or link, they can just scan the code. All right, so let me take screenshots so that we do that practically. Then I'll take screenshot of this and now click on capture. So it's now saved in the screenshot folder of my PC. So I'll double click on it for it to open. So let me use my iPhone and scan with my iPhone camera to see where this will take us to. Then I'll position it to the code. You can see I will tap on where it is pointing at. And here we are, Godwin Tech Microsoft Teams assistance, which costs just $12. So it works. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.